What's up? What's up, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Seen about 3 videos with people kind of hinting at the fact that they don't like Peter Mckinnon, or you can't trust YouTubers. You know, last month the fad was I'm quitting YouTube. Now this month is attacking another creator. And honestly, I believe it's just because he's successful. Now, Peter Mckinnon is a great YouTuber who really inspired me to start shooting Canon, and also inspired me to keep it up with photography. I did video a lot, but I never felt confident as a photographer. Watching his videos definitely helped me. It did subconsciously plant in my head to buy a Canon. I'm not gonna lie about that fact. But I'm glad I did, number one. And number two, you know, you really shouldn't judge someone based off how they look or how much success they have. I think that should be a given. I also believe in my heart that he is a decent human being, number one. And number two, he had a lot of success come really fast. And what is more important to him now is spending time with his family. Yeah, maybe you only see sponsored content from him, the whole YouTuber wave of cinematic bro, like you don't like. But I would say look within yourself, right? Because some of the people that are commenting on Peter are a lot older than him, number one. And number two, it just doesn't really come off well. It doesn't really come off genuine when you are criticizing another YouTuber for sponsorships or for how he dresses or how he looks or what he promotes in the industry. It doesn't come off like you think. I think it comes off as jealousy. And let me tell you, number one, the reason I know that is because I get a lot of hate for whatever it is that I'm doing, and whatever I'm doing, I do happily. I do proud. But a lot of times I can take the criticism, that's fine, but a lot of times it does come from a place that is insecurity. It's insecurity based on jealousy, I believe. And in the fact of the few videos that I've seen, I'm not going to mention anyone by name, but the videos that I've seen, whether or not the content itself was good, bad, or whether they had a point or not is, you know, not my point. But the point to me was it did come across a little sad and almost like an older person looking down at a younger generation and hating them because they are jealous. And that's what it feels like to me. And honestly, I'm happy that Peter Mckinnon is here on YouTube still. And I don't want you to take that away from me. And I know damn well that Peter Mckinnon does not need me to make a video, but I just wanted to because I believe it's unfair. YouTube takes to certain personalities, and he has an intro to his video that his fans like, what's up? You know, that's not really a point of criticism to me. I mean, if he amassed views and that's what people want to see, then, you know, you find something that your viewers want, you give them that. And by the way, this video is sponsored. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not relevant either, but I just really think it's unfair, and seems like a genuine guy to me, and I appreciate his content. So if you do happen to see this, Peter, please don't stop what you're doing or change because other people are haters.